So this is a 60-second tutorial on how to properly carve an electric longboard. All right, so you just got your first electric longboard. So at first, you may be tempted to be at parallel with the board, but actually what you want to be doing is turn both feet forward. So you want your front foot at 45 degrees with the board and the rear foot at 45 degrees as well. This allows you to use your 10 toes and actually dig inside the board to turn one direction. And if you want to go into the other direction, all you have to do is dig down into your heels. And that way you have your both heels turning in that direction. And what's great about the position is that your feet barely move, so you can go left and right without replacing your feet all the time. So another key element is the rotation of your shoulders. My shoulders will start turning before the lower end of my body. So I'm going to turn the shoulder one direction and then the whole board will follow me along. If I want to go to the left, same thing. I rotate the shoulders more to the left first. I open my chest and that way it's going to rotate all the way down to the legs and the board will carve to the left. I'm going to exaggerate the movement, but shoulders go right, shoulders go left, shoulder goes right, and then the board follows. You see, I open the shoulders, the board follows. You push in the toes, you push in the heels. You push in the toes, heel, toes, heel. So you see my foot are not moving when I'm going left or right. They stay at the exact same position and my body do the work.